Watch this video if you never want to lose marks again on questions about niche markets. Now, a niche market is basically when a business starts to target specific segments of a larger market. And because they are trying to target these specific and smaller segments, we'll normally find that we have a much smaller customer base. So for example, let's say the mass market product is toothpaste. Well, the niche product that we could begin to focus on is selling toothpaste to children aged 3 to 5 years old with sensitive teeth. Now, as you can see there is a much smaller customer base compared to the overall mass market. And because we are trying to focus on a smaller segment of the market, we'll normally find that our competitive advantage comes from the fact that we are focusing on differentiation. Now, in terms of our advantages for operating in a niche market, well, first of all, because it is a bit of a smaller market, you'll normally find that there's less competition. And this is brilliant for startups because they don't have to compete against these huge multinational corporations. And because within the niche market, we are trying to solve a very specific problem, we normally find that we're able to charge higher prices because there aren't many substitutes available. And finally, as we are trying to serve a very specific niche, we normally find that our customers have higher levels of satisfaction because once again, we are trying to target their specific needs and wants, which can lead to a higher level of customer loyalty. However, there are some drawbacks we need to consider. Firstly, because we are trying to target a smaller customer base, there will be limited room for us to grow. And if there's limited room for us to grow, there will be only a limited amount of units that we can produce and sell. And because of that, it means we have lower levels of our economies of scale. And finally, we are vulnerable to changes in trends. So for example, if we are focusing on a specific niche, let's say in the fashion industry, and for whatever reason, social trends and fashion trends make it that our niche is no longer profitable. But for us, if that's the only product that we are selling to target that niche goes out of fashion, well, then there's a very good chance that the business ends up going bankrupt.